In this video, I will show you how to create this cool movie poster step by step using Photoshop. Open Photoshop and click New File. Create a file with following settings. Go to the toolbar and select the ellipse tool. Create a big circle and place it in the center of the canvas. Right-click the layer and rasterize it. Use the shortcut Ctrl and R to turn on the rulers. Then set both rulers to the center. Select the lasso tool from the toolbar. From the center, make a triangle selection. Use Ctrl and X to cut the selection. Then use Ctrl, Shift and V to paste it in the same place. Use Ctrl and T to transform and adjust the size and position. Repeat this process with different sizes and positions of the triangles until the circle is completely covered. Now select any triangle, go to the File menu and select Place Embedded, and then select the image. Now right click and create a clipping mask. Use Ctrl and T to transform and adjust the image size and position to fit it in the triangle. Now repeat this process for all the triangles. After that, select any image layer and create a black and white adjustment layer. Create a clipping mask and adjust the color. Copy the adjustment layer using the shortcut key Ctrl and C and use Ctrl and V to paste it into every layers one by one except two layers. For the images you didn't make black and white, create a solid color adjustment layer and select red. Now change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Create a clipping mask and copy and paste this adjustment layer to other image. Select all the layers and group them. Use Ctrl and T to transform and adjust the size and position. Now it's time to add the main image. Go to the File menu and select Place Embedded. Now select the image. Go to the toolbar and select any selection tool and then select the subject. Use Ctrl and J to duplicate the selection, then delete the below layer. Adjust the size and position of the subject. Now duplicate the subject with Ctrl and J, select the below layer, use Ctrl and T to transform, right click and flip vertical. Adjust the image for a reflection. Create a layer mask, select the gradient tool and make a gradient line. Reduce the opacity for the reflection effect. Create a new blank layer. Select the brush tool, adjust the size, and use black color to create shadows. Now reduce the opacity as needed. Now add the text and the title in the poster. And there you have it. Your movie poster is ready. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.